Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you a thrift store haul, and I'm going to start to my right. These are 4 grapevine wreaths that I picked up for $1. Everything I bought here is 50% off, and I was lucky enough to find 4 of these babies. I paid $1 for this collection, and it's still in the wrapper. It hasn't been opened. I purchased a bag for $6.50. It was 50% off. The regular price was $12.98. The bag had 5 Martha Stewart punches. It had 2 Fiskar punches, and these are the ones with the scallop edges and decorative edges like this one. Isn't that beautiful? The next items are these sweaters, and as you know, when I cleaned out my closet, I donated all my sweaters and jackets. It's getting cold, so I needed a sweater. I picked this one up for $2.50, and this is a loft, and it's beautiful. Look at the details on the shoulder. And then I am short, so this is not super long. It'll fit me perfectly right below my waist. So, and it feels so good. It is lovely. The next item is a vest, and I paid $3.50. It's from Pendleton, and it's a very, very warm vest, and it says it's 100% lamb's wool, and it feels beautiful. Look at this. I am loving this vest. I've been wanting a vest. I don't know, my arms get cold too, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna enjoy wearing just a vest or if this is something I can use for spring, because I'm always cold. And or I can wear it under a jacket to keep me even more warm. So I am loving this. Look at that. It is in mint condition. Lovely, lovely, lovely. The next item is a light jacket, and I paid $2.50. And this is a reversible jacket. I am totally loving this jacket. It's lightweight, and look at the cuffs. This is it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.